Hi everyone, welcome to the ninth tutorial for your third module. This is the person detection model and its deployment of the Arduino device. So it's going to be a fairly simple tutorial. We're just going to see how to deploy the particular sketch and walk through some of the big changes in the code. So let's go to the Arduino IDE and click on File, Examples, scroll down to TinyML underscore ESE360 and open the person detection sketch. Once you click on that, you'll have this particular list of files available. And so if you look at at its base, it's pretty similar to the KWS sketch, where we have all the definitions of the error reporter, the model as a null pointer. So these are like all the pointer declarations. Then we allocate the tensor arena size and the tensor arena. So this is a fairly large tensor arena if you compare it with the KWS one. This is because this time we're going to store an image and we're going to run our person detection model on top of it. What person detection basically means is to detect a person in an image or a live classification mode. So yeah, pretty much everything is the same. We get the model and then we run specific, and we also input specific operators, which is like the average pool layer, the conv2d, depth-wise conv2d, and we've talked about this multiple times in the class. Then we allocate the tensors, pass in the input as the memory, and then get the output. Then we run the responder detection, and we'll talk about how it works. So one important thing to note is that if we see in the image provider, I think. Yes, so it's in the image provider, we see that we crop the image to a 96 cross 96. This lowers the field of view, but this is an essential part because like the OV7675 module that we are using has a 176 cross 144 image generation size. So that's the size of the image that it generates once we click a picture using it. So to generalize everything for our model, we crop it to a 96 cross 96. So this is a little bit of, input text thing that we do. And then, okay, we talk about what we do after the detection later. Let's quickly go through the module again. Okay, so I've already deployed it. You can also go ahead and click on upload and wait for the module to be deployed. Now let's see the Arduino here. So the Arduino currently has the red and the green LEDs. So the way it works, I'll open the screen monitor as well. The way it works, it gives you a person score and a no person score. So currently the no person score is higher and the person score is less. And this is how the main algorithm of this code works. So after you run the input through the model, it generates a specific score. If the no person score is greater than the person score, then it's not a person and a red LED is lit up. And if the person score is greater than the no person score, it's like the green LED lights up, which means that there's a person in the picture. So you see, we have both the person scores and the no person scores being printed. And at this point, there's a constant red and a blue LED on the frame. I don't know if it's clearly visible, but yeah, I'll try to see that there's a flicker between blue. So the blue LED means that there is the camera is taking a picture. So I'll quickly turn this around and you'll see that the person score starts increasing and it's always on the positive end. There are some instances where it does not detect clearly, but in most cases, it turns out to be green. So yeah, this is the prime example of how the person detection model works. And yeah, so yeah, we talked about the input sizes and that the person score greater than the no person score, and we light up specific LEDs based on that. This is the inference part of it. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you.